Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about profile and role. So please be available from start to end of this tutorial. Let's see one by one. First one is profile. Profile is used to assign object level and field level security to the set of the user. Also, profile decides what operation the user can perform. And profile is mandatory field when you create the user. Each user have only one profile and profile can assign to one or more users. Also profile have four types of access: create, read, update and delete. There are two types of profile in Salesforce: standard profile and custom profile. Open your Salesforce account, go to setup. After that in quick find search profile. Here, Analytics Cloud Integration User, Analytics Cloud Security User, these are the standard profile. We cannot modify all options in standard profile, so create custom profile. Simply click here, new profile, select existing profile and select here system administrator and profile name is support engineer. After that, click here save. Here we can give the access to the this profile: read, create, edit and delete. This way we can create the profile. Here we can also delete this profile, clone this profile and also edit this profile. In this way we can create profile. Next one is a role. Role is used to control the data to record of the object. In every organization, it should have a set of designation which can be assigned to one or more employee. Similarly, Salesforce provides role hierarchy. We can also create our own hierarchy. Open your Salesforce account, go to setup and search here role. Here is the sample role hierarchy. We can select product based sample, also company size based sample. Simply click here setup role. For assigning this role to specific user, simply click here assign and select here user and after that add. After that click here save button. This role is added successfully. In this way we can create a role hierarchy in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.